Hello student, my name is Sonia Sharma, Department of Computer Science. Today my topic is on multiplexer and demultiplexer. What is multiplexer and demultiplexer? Multiplexer, as name show, means many into one. Multiplexer is a circuit that accepts many input but give one output. A demultiplexer function exactly in the reverse of multiplexer, that is a demultiplexer accepts only one input and give many output. And generally both of these are used together in different circuits. Now move on to multiplexer. As we already discussed, multiplexer means many into one. Multiplexer is a circuit used to select and route any one of the several input signal to a signal output. And simple example of a non-electronic circuit of a multiplexer is a single pole multi-position switch. Now, advantages of multiplexer: it reduces number of wire, it reduces circuits complexity and cost, and implementation of various circuit using mux. Uses of multiplexer: multi-position switches are widely used in many electronic circuits. However, circuits that operate at high speed require the multiplexer to be automatically selected. Next, a mechanical switch can not perform this task satisfactorily. Therefore, multiplexers are used to perform high-speed switching and are constructed of electronic component. Now we are showing, this is my block diagram of multiplexer. This is my input signals. This is my multiplexer. This is my M control lines, and this is my output signals. Types of multiplexer. Multiplexer handle two types of data, that is analog and digital. For analog application, multiplexers are built of relays and transistor switches. For the digital, they are built from the standard logic gates. Multiplexer are different types, that is 2 to 1, 4 to 1, 8 to 1, 16 to 1 multiplexer. Now move on to 4 to 1 multiplexer circuit. 4 to 1 multiplexer has 4 input, that is I0, I1, I2 and I3, and 2 control bits, that is S0 and S1. This is called data select and having 1 output bit. Only one of these is transmitted to the output Y. The output depend upon the value, that is S0 and S1, which is the control input. Control input element, which of the input data bit is transmitted to the output. This is my circuit diagram. 4 to 1 multiplexer. This is my, I'm using here AND gate, I0, I1, I2, I3. You can join I0 to, this is one AND gate, and I1 to another, I2 this AND gate, and I3 to this. Now this is my selections line S0 and S1. According to this truth table is a tabular representation of circuit, that is 0 or 1 input having numbers of output, that is I0, I1, I2 and I3. Now I0, I have 2 input, that is 0, 0. This is my 0 and this is my 1. You can join from both. In first I0, I have both input 0 and 0. So you can join from this inverter to I0, I0 and S1 from this line. Now move on to second, that is I1. Here is my output is 0 and 1. Now you can join, this is my 1 and this is my 0. You can join S0 is 1 and S1 is 0 from this selections line. Now my output is 1 and 0. Now S0 is 0, S1 is 1. You can join S0 from this inverter and 1 from this. Now in the third, I have both input is 1, 1. You can join this one from this and another from this. After joining these AND gate with OR gate, you can get your output. Now, applications of multiplexer. Multiplexer used in various fields where multiple data need to be transmitted using a single line. Following are the applications of multiplexer. These are used in the communication system, telephone network, computer memory, and transmission from a computer system of a satellite. Now, demultiplexer. Demultiplexer is a reverse of multiplexer. Demultiplexer means one to many. Demultiplexer is a circuit which with one input and many output. By applying control signals, we have number of outputs. Types of demultiplexer is 1 to 2, 1 to 4, 1 to 8, 1 to 16. Now, this is my block diagram. Here is my selections line S0, S1, D for my data. This is my short form of demultiplexer, that is a demux, and this is my output A, B, C, and D. This is my circuit diagram of the D1 to 4 demultiplexer. Here is my truth table. Truth table is a tabular representation of a selections line, that is A or B are using for the my selections line, and Y0, Y1, Y2, and Y3. These are my output. Now move on to circuit diagram. Here is my data. You can join with these data to all AND gate. Join the all data. This is my Y0, Y1, Y2, and Y3. You can join from the data from this line to Y0, Y1, Y2, and Y3. Now move on to the truth table. First, I have a input that is 0, 0. Next is 0, 1. Next is 1, 0. And the last is my 1, 1. This is my selection line, that is A or B. From this, you can take inverter showing the value of 0 and other will be the 1. This is also my 0 and this is my 1. Here is the both of the inputs are my 0, 0. You can join from this 0 to 1 Y0 and from this 0 to Y0. Next, move on to second AND gate having input 0 and 1. 1 is for B and 0, 4 is A. You can use B equal to 1. So you can join this line from Y1 and next is my 0. That is A equal to 0. You can use this inverter to join this Y1. Next move on to Y2 having inputs 1 and 0. 0 for B and A is 1. You can join 0 from here to inverter to Y2 and 1 from the A. Now both of the input having the value 1, 1. You can join from the B from 1 here and A is to 1. This is your 1 to 4 demultiplexer. Next, applications of the demultiplexer. Demultiplexer is used to connect a signals sourced off to multiple destinations. Main applications area of demultiplexer is communication system where multiplexers are used. Communication system ALU, that is arithmetic, logical, and unit, and also used to serial to parallel converter. Thank you.